Hi, this is Chef Angie and I'm specialized in pastry and baking. Today I'll be showing you my recipe on sunset mirror cake. We'll start off with sifting our dry ingredients. Folding the egg whites into our mixture. We are moving on to the next component, which is the strawberry puree. We need to leave it in the blast freezer until it's fully set before using it for the insert. So moving on to the next part of the mousse cake. Cream, I will keep it cold in the chiller. We can add in the gelatin. Lastly, add in the white chocolate. Now we need to let this mixture cool down to 34 degrees Celsius before we can combine with the whipped cream. The base for the praline mousse has already cooled down. Coconut dacquoise. We will have to leave this in the freezer overnight and wait for it to harden before the next step. So for the last part of the mirror cake, it's the mirror glaze itself. So we are going to cook the mirror glaze. Roughly divide them. Tops first. Still thick blue color. And let it cool down to 34 degrees Celsius before we do our actual glazing. Okay, so I will go with a layer of yellow. Sky of the sunset. Right, up you go. Landing, landing. This is my sunset mirror cake. Looks yummy and try it at home.